Greetings and salutations, fellow 50p coin collectors. Coin Snatcher here, and we have an update on the 50p collection. So what have we got to have a look at today? Well, in front of you will see the 1979 Isle of Man Viking ship coin, and this one celebrates Her Majesty's visit in 1979. They're edge inscribed coins. If we pop this coin out, I'll show you what the edge inscription is on this. So when you're reading the edge inscription, you start off with the Queen's head, and this one is upside down, so we'll turn that round, and it is Isle of Man, July, let's just get this in focus a bit better, 1979. So Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, royal visit, Isle of Man, July 1979. And then on the back we have the ship, and there's a little bit of script just in the circle on the sailing bit of the vessel. So what makes these coins interesting? Why do I have these in the collection? Well, these coins, like most of the Isle of Man coins, come with two different Diemarks. So in this case we have an AA Diemark, and then we have the AA Diemark. Then these ones are AB Diemark and AB Diemark. The reason there's 4 lines is that on this line the writing is the correct way up, so when you have the Queen's head facing up, you can read the inscription around the coin, and the second row is with the edge inscription upside down, so you have to turn the coin over to read it. So we have another one of these coins to add into the collection today. It arrived in a nice little green box like this. When we pop it open, it comes with a little certificate of authenticity, and you can just see there that it is an edge inscribed 50p Cupro nickel, and the issue limit is 50,000 coins, and then the signature for the Isle of Man Treasury and for Popjoy Mint. So if we pop that out and we have a little look, the coin does come in an additional little bit of plastic, but I popped that out because it can be quite fidgety when we're trying to get it out to read it. So let's have a look at this, and if we flick it over, first of all we'll have a look at the obverse on it. We can see that it's a really nice condition coin. Hasn't been handled, well, probably not apart from my mucky prints on it. And if we turn it round, we'll have a look at the all-important side that has the Diemark on it. Really nice condition, this coin, 1979, so quite a few years old. But if you look just at the prow of the ship, you'll see that there's 2 little symbols. Let's get this in a little bit closer, and in this case you can see the symbols are AA. So this is an AA Diemark coin, and if, as like we said earlier, we'll pop it round and we have a look, we'll see the writing on this is the correct way up, and it starts off with HM for Her Majesty. So being an AA coin, this goes on the top row, and because it starts off with HM under the neckline of the Queen, it's one that I didn't have already. So we'll pop that one in, we'll pop the lid on that. And now, because there's 7 sides in the 50p, there's obviously 7 different places that the script can start. So there'd be 7, 7, 7 and 7. These AB Diemark ones seem to be a bit fewer and further between, but to be honest, with me not being so well for the last week, I've done very little in terms of looking for coins or buying anything on eBay. In fact, I've done nothing. So this was a coin that I've had sitting for, must be 2 weeks now. But as I said in the video yesterday where I wasn't feeling well, I just really wasn't up for doing any videos. But that's 3 of the AA Diemark, and another 3 of the AA Diemark. This one with the writing the correct way up, and the one underneath with the writing upside down, or in cuse if you want to give it the technical term. And then possibly during this week I'll have a little look on eBay, and we'll crack on and try and find a few more of these edge inscribed 50p's and see how many we can get in total. That's it for this little video. Stay tuned, because at some point later on this week we will be going back to the 1997 small size 50p, and we'll have a bit of an update to do on that collection as well, so well worth tuning in for that. But for now, that's it. Peace and love. Coin Snatcher out.